Hey guys, this is Grant from Ecological. Today we're going to be installing the grill overlay for this 23 Silverado 1500. This will be the years 22 to 24 for this grill overlay. So we're going to show a couple steps on how to prep it, and then we'll get to the install.
To follow along on the written instructions, scan the QR code on the digital instruction sheet and select your model. Included with your digital instructions is a stick of adhesion promoter. Keep this close because we'll use it right after our dry fit. With your adhesion promoter, you'll also find a strip of blackout tape. We'll be using this later. If you have a color matched product, now would be the time to perform your color check. Instructions on how to perform this check are either attached to your installation instructions or on our website.
First, perform a dry fit by installing the parts without removing the backing to the 3M tape. During your dry fit, check to make sure all the parts fit correctly. Start with the larger center portion and then move on to one of the smaller side pieces. Tuck the top edge under the plastic lip just below the hood. Next, take one of your side pieces, line it up with the indented area of the center portion and test fit it. Check for chrome around the outside of the part. If any is visible, add a small section of blackout tape. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Now that we've done our dry fits and checks, we're ready to start the installation. First, clean the surface of the grill with isopropyl alcohol. Pick up your adhesion promoter stick and press down on the area indicated on the stick to puncture the vial inside. Next, apply the adhesion promoter to all areas of the grill where the tape will be touching down, including around the logo. Like in our dry fit, we'll begin with the center section. Peel the red backing away from all areas of the 3M tape. On the upper portion of the grill cover, peel back the protective film about an inch. This will ensure that the film doesn't get stuck under the plastic lip near the hood. Line up the logo with the corresponding cutout in your overlay. Now gently tuck the top edge of the overlay under the plastic trim just under the hood, like we did during the dry fit. After you're satisfied with the position of the cover, apply pressure to the areas of the overlay where the 3M tape is exposed. Peel back the film about an inch past the indented area where the side portions will nestle in. Remove the red backing here. Line up your side section with the corresponding indented area of the center portion. After you're lined up here, check the other side to ensure there's no chrome showing. When you're happy with the positioning, apply firm pressure to adhere the piece. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Finally, it's time for the best part, removing the protective film.
Alright guys, hopefully that was an easy install for you. If you have any other questions about the install, please contact our customer service number. We'll help you out. Also, feel free to check out any of the other Silverado products we have on our website, including the front bumper and the rear bumper that we did installation videos for also. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Share the videos and get them out on the road more. Thanks guys.